Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
All right, welcome back. You're welcome back, and we have restricted the broadcast to be only members comment section, at least to reduce the number of the comment that is being flagged by this program. So I'm sorry for that particular interruption. We continue from here. So, as I was saying, of course, you know that P2P campaign, they have money. So they could be doing something, reporting our page and all that. All right. But we are not moved. We are Biafrans and we are resolute. We don't stop and we don't move an inch. So, as I was saying, what you don't know is that this particular Nigeria today is something that was handed over to Fulani. So we continue reading. Follow me. Follow me. They are not ready to rule them. It was a lie. It was because the Fulani refused. The northern Nigeria refused to be part of this southern Biafra and Yoruba. They refused. And the British honored that refusal. They honored it. But what did the Lord Lugard do? Lord Lugard, instead of coming to the Yoruba and the Biafra to tell them that these northerners rejected to be part of them. Because at first they rejected. That rejection was the reason why, at any given slightest chance given, the North was about to pull out of Nigeria. How many of you remember that? Northern Nigeria threatened to leave Nigeria. They lied. They lied to Yorubas. They lied to Biafrans that the North is not yet ripe, to be self-governance. It was all lies. North has been governing itself. In fact, North was controlling the British Royal Company called Nigeria out of fear. of the killing by the Fulanis, the British allowed them to control the Nigeria and that particular company. It is here. People don't know this thing. So today, Fulani understood that aggression is the only way to get power. Fulani understood that it is only by killings and the crisis they are going to get power. So for that reason, we will give them the exact thing they have been using to take over Nigeria from the time immemorial. From the beginning of Nigeria, Fulani have used force to create fear to take over the governance and take over Nigeria. We are not going to even create the fear. We are going to defend ourselves with the equal power. The equal power that the Fulani have used against us. We are going to use that equal power to defend our land and make sure there is no election in Biafra land next year. It is the only way out. Otherwise, like Danjuma said, you will all die one after the other. The same thing they are doing now. They come to your land, they kill you without remorse. Nobody hold them accountable. Even they threaten and they compel your own governor like Peter Obi to kill you. Dump your body in the river. That is why Peter Obi will be the last man we will listen to. Because when he had the opportunity, he killed us. That is not to say that our offer is not open. Our offer is still there on the table. He should come and tell us what is it he is going to do differently and how. It is not enough to tell us he can win election. We are not interested in who win election and who don't win election. Everybody win election. Buhari win election. Okay? Buhari win election. Jonathan won election. Anybody can win election. It's not winning election. We are not here for who win election. What we are here for is how to secure the life of the people, especially the indigenous people in Nigeria. So come and tell us, if you win election that you want to win, how would you solve the problem that has been there before you join Nigeria, Obi? Before your forefathers become Nigeria, Fulani problem has been there right from the 1898. That did not change. The strategy worked for them. They took over the control of Royal Niger Company. The British feared them because of the aggression. It is there in the book. That aggression of Fulani have not stopped today. They know how to use the aggression to get what they want. And we, the new generation of Biafra people, have come to know this secret. And we are saying, enough. We are going to put an end to it this coming year. Through the stopping of election in Biafra land, we are going to put an end to it. Not only stopping election, when we stop that election, we are going to wait for that Nigeria bombardment. We'll wait for them. And we are going to defend our land. That is why we are proposing 2 weeks sit at home. Because it is not going to be a chat play. We will defend our land. And let me tell you, this rain that is coming, you can never avoid it. Nobody can do this. Somebody can do it. You need to understand that what I am doing today is what somebody has to do. You need to understand that the position I am standing today on no election in Biafra land is a position that somebody with a head should do. And I happen to be one of the person that will stand and tell Biafrans, this is what we are going to do to get our freedom. This is what we are going to do to end the Fulani aggression. This is what we are going to do to develop ourselves, to make our own country enjoyable. This is what we are going to do to secure the life and properties of our women and children. Is by leaving Nigeria and leaving Fulani aggression. This is what we are going to do in start to build. You know, they can attack this program for all I care. They can attack the program for all I care. We are going to make sure we will deliver this message today. And in the coming month, I am going to invest hugely in this gadget. Let me know where this problem is coming from, of this problem of attack. In the coming month, I am going to invest hugely in this broadcasting gadget. We will know where the problem is coming from. Whether it is them that is, everybody. I have not asked you to call. Why are you calling me?
I'm so sorry, Mazi. Mazi, it's very, very important urgent info, please, okay?
Okay.
Mazi, this is Onyeka speaking, Onyeka. Because this is, I want to introduce privately, because only one time, you can just give me, call you so that I can tell you this thing. I want to introduce urgently, please.
Yeah, what it has to do with what?
Security. Or go on here so that we have the knowledge of it. So that issues equal and we choose on legal get discussed here because.
All right. Okay. All right. So, haven't listened to this particular exposition we did today. I want to ask question. The question is the question is the people those people that are campaigning for election and wanting we want to know what they are going to do, how they are going to do it, because the exposition you just listened to today is the reason why Fulani controls Nigeria. We have been doing the same thing every year, every 4 years. No election, and then election will take place. Every 4 years, we have been doing the same thing. This time around, we will do something different. Biafra people will do something differently. And what we are going to do differently is we are going to stop election in our land. And let me tell you, they say, P2B. I don't want to be talking about this. I will stop talking about this. We have thrown the challenge and the door is open. I will not be talking about the P2B. Very soon I will stop talking about him. Because anaghị Igbo agwụ onye ọcha. I don't need to be talking about P2B. Believe me, I'm going to stop very soon. Maka na anaghị Igbo agwụ onye ọcha. They will be the one to even campaign for no election when the time comes. Believe me. Go and mark today's date. P2B and his group will finally campaign for no election. Go and mark today's date. They're not a tail man. They will use their own mouth and say, we don't want this election yet. No, election cannot hold. Election cannot go and mark it today. We can't continue to do the same thing every time. We have done it so many years. This time around, it is not even as if P2B is a good man. And when they say P2B took Anambra state from education, they become the best state. I was listening to, I just wait. I'm just waiting for them to accept this challenge. And P2B come and tell us, to convince us. Let him tell us how he want to rule Nigeria. Because it will be very interesting to know what P2B is going to do differently to make Nigeria work. We want to know. not just coming to say, I can win, I will win, he will not win. No. Anybody can win, you can become a president, anybody can win. But we want to know what you want to do differently. That you want Biafra to put their Biafra aside and support a collapsed Nigeria. And then validate Nigeria with election. Very soon I will stop talking about him. Because I know there are people who will come to talk with the way I'm talking. Very soon. Very, very soon. You people will know that the Biafra struggle is not what you used to know. You will know that this particular Biafra struggle have entered a different dimension. It is not what you used to know. I am going to tell you the fact. You will all be alive to use your mouth and say, you can't have this election.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do wait to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.